Meet Codename Goose, your on-machine open-source AI agent, built to automate your tasks. Codename Goose is an intelligent and autonomous agent capable of handling complex tasks thanks to its core features. Connect with apps and tools you already use with extensions. Built on the Model Context Protocol, you can connect to extensions like GitHub, integrate JetBrains IDEs, access Google Drive, or build your own custom integrations for Goose. For a curated list of extensions, visit our docs. With a wide range of compatible large language model providers, you can choose and integrate your preferred model. You can also run Goose as a desktop app or through the command line interface using the same configurations across both. You can think of Goose as an assistant, ready to take your instructions and do the work for you. Able to handle a wide range of tasks across various engineering domains. Here are examples of tasks Goose has helped people with already. Goose has helped dive into a new project in an unfamiliar coding language, conduct code migrations such as Ember to React or Ruby to Kotlin, increase code coverage, and even generate unit tests for a feature, and much more. To get started using Goose right away, check out our quick start and be the first to know about upcoming features by joining our community.
Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope y'all are doing well. It's my favorite day of the week because it's Goose Off Tuesdays. You know what I mean? All right. So if you didn't catch the intro earlier and you were like, what in the world is Goose? Goose is an AI agent. And what makes it so unique is that it's open source, it's local to your machine, and it extends its capabilities to MCP servers. That's been like the hot thing for like the past few months. So for today's Goose Off, our contestants are not developers, but they're not afraid to lay down the law or the logic. We have Ananya and MacKenzie who are going to be stepping into the Goose Off ring, and let's see what happens when brains meets agentic power. All right, I'm going to bring them up on the stage, and I'm just going to chat with y'all for a little bit. How y'all doing?
Good.
Oop. And I took you guys off by accident. Here we go. Here we are. Yeah, you're good. I'm curious. So, like, let people know a little bit about like your roles and how you use Goose day to day, like in a quick, short way.
Sure, I can go first. So I work within block sales comp operations as an operations analyst, and I use Goose mostly every day, all day, mostly to automate any manual workflow that my team and I have been doing so far, and can save time on such things like triaging Jira tickets, solutioning, like automatically understanding what's going on in the back end and be able to understand the root cause quickly rather than spending a lot of time, and also automating some commission statement work that helps me generate commission statements without manual intervention and quickly dump them in a secure location using Goose.
Amazing. I'm like, that's like kind of my proof to some people. People are like, "Oh, how would like MCP be used in the real world? This is like a toy type of thing." I'm like, "No, people are using it." What about you, MacKenzie?
Yeah, I would say, yeah, I am the same way. I use Goose every day. But yeah, I'm on the council team here at Block, and I work on our AI and data initiatives. So I was super jazzed when Goose came out earlier this year and we got to use it. I use it for everything. My kind of mindset is let me try it in Goose first, and if I can't do it that way, I'll try a different way. But very rarely has Goose failed me. It might be a little finicky at times, and sometimes I feel like Goose might gaslight me a little bit. But otherwise, we get a lot of stuff done. So it's helped me build some really incredible tools and like products for our council team. So yeah, I use Goose every day.
I love it. Goosey is our bestie. All right, so we're gonna dive into the challenges. Are you guys ready? Don't worry. The first challenge is just a scrimmage, so that means there's no winner or loser. And anyways, like Goose is the loser regardless. But all right. So the first one is this one's I think should be a pretty like just something to get your feet wet. So what I want you all to do is build a 404 page and don't start yet because I actually have to get my timer up. Build a 404 page that looks totally different every time you refresh it. So a new layout, new vibe every single time, and you'll have 6 minutes. But let me put the timer on and then also do you guys have questions before we start?
I would have just one.
Yeah.
Is this like just 4x4 page that like looks different as you scroll? Is that?
Whenever you refresh. So like a
Oh,
forward page, like when you're like, oops, you landed on the wrong page. And then you
oh,
like refresh it and maybe the color is different or the I don't know, the style is different in some way. Is that clear?
yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah. 404 status page. All right. Cool. All right. We're going to get started right now. And I'm going to go to MacKenzie first. Let's see. Just pick the rhythm.
Java, can you help me build a 404 status page? I want the page to include some kind of goofy comment to lighten the mood since running into 404 pages is very frustrating. Let's see, what else do I want to add? You can change the colors and size of the page each time. Feel free to get creative. Okay.
Before you press send, I think you mean to say JavaScript.
Yes, I'm sorry, I do.
Cool. Just in case. Oh, I didn't want Goose spinning on you.
Oh my God. Well, that would make sense though. For 404 status page, it would just spin on me. And then did I get the prompt correct? In a roundabout way.
Right. Technically you got it. So what's what was your strategy or your thinking here? When
Yeah. Well, first off, I always start by greeting Goose. Just because everyone, if you've seen any type of presentation I've ever done, I'm always afraid that our LLMs will become sentient, and I want them to spare me in the eventual takeover. So I'm that way with our Alexa too. Like I've been with Alexa for years because I'm always afraid. Anyways, so wanted to start off. I do like kind of giving Goose a little bit of creativity in the beginning. I know that sounds kind of funny, but letting Goose kind of run with it at first and then making tweaks and changes. I found that if I'm a little bit too specific, then Goose and I both get more frustrated.
Yeah.
Whereas if I start a little bit broader, I can refine the output down a little bit and get kind of more of what I'm looking for.
Yeah, I love that strategy. I do that too, especially for something like the Goose Off where you want a little bit of creativity.
Yes.
We have Aaron here who said, great prompting. I like to think the more you put your personality into it, the more its results will resonate with you. That's a cute.
I think so. Yeah, I think so for sure.
Yeah. I'm going to go over to Ananya right now, see what she's up to. I see her smiling in the background, so like maybe something positive. Hello.
Hey, Rizal. I'm just waiting for my model, for my Goose to actually give me something. So I prompted it with just some basic um, idea that I want a 404 status page with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which gets randomized every time the user refreshes with typo. I'm so sorry. Changes the Y from fun to scary, add some cool characters.
Ooh.
As I was envisioning, like something would be like popping up on the screen as it turns like from different vibes. And then I ask it to execute it and then open the file in the end because sometimes Goose Goose is yeah, it doesn't do that and I have to specify. I also want to mention that I'm using a mixed model like a lead worker setting.
Ooh, what's the worker? So you're using Claude 4 as your lead,
Yes.
and then
Oh
what's
no,
your worker? Oh,
my lead is I think 4.1 GPT. And
oh,
my worker, because that is good for creating the plan for my AI agent.
yeah,
And because I before Goose had the voice dictation, I used to go to ChatGPT and voice whatever I wanted, and it would create like a perfect script for me to given to my Goose. But ever since I have this and I upgraded to the new version, I have been trying the lead worker combinations, and the 0.41 helps me. I don't have to juggle between different Goose screen like multiple keys, and I can do if I think it created a plan for me properly, like an execution plan initially, and then it started doing its thing.
amazing. So you didn't even have to prompt it to do the plan. It just made it on its own. Yeah, I think you're the first person to use lead worker model on the Goose Off. So amazing, amazing.
I think it's gonna take some time because I've asked it to create some characters,
Images.
which I feel would delay my output, but let's see.
Yeah, and I'm okay even, like, waiting a little bit.
Okay.
While this happens, I'll go back to MacKenzie and see where she's at.
Yeah,
So,
so I have
ooh,
my 404 page up, but I wanted to make it a little I'm more of like a I came up on like HTML on MySpace, so I really like a more simple, a simple outline. So I asked Goose to kind of just throw it back a little bit. Um,
Yeah.
I think that's a little more fun, and so I wanted to make the comments also a little snarkier because some of them were cute, but some of them were kind of cringy. And so you know what? Let's iterate here just a little bit. So I thanked Goose for its great work again, really driving home that we're friends. Um, and then I asked just to iterate a little bit on what it is. So hopefully, it's working on it right now. It will bring me something a little different.
Ooh, I love it. Oh, wait, was that me with the 6 minutes timer? Oops. I was not ready for
Um,
that. Let me mute. But
mm.
I'll give a couple extra minutes because of the image generator. I love the fact that you're going for a 2000s vibe. That's like my vibe every day. Like
Agreed.
like everything needs to be early 2000s.
Yeah, I want everything to be early 2000s.
And while we're waiting too, are there any like particular approaches that you take? I know earlier you were telling us that you have Goose play your hype up song.
Oh, yeah.
How does Goose know it? Like, do you have it in Goose hints or
Yes.
something? Oh,
No, I have it in Goose Memories. But
oh,
Goose Memories and Goose Hints are when I like figured out how to use those appropriately. It was such a game changer for me because there's a couple different things that I do often in my tasks and that I do with Goose that just makes it easier for me once I put some hints in there. So one of my favorite hints is that I ask Goose like anytime you're giving me a link to something, especially within Google Drive,
yeah.
Goose tends to default to giving like the document ID, which is fine, but it just like is an extra step of me having to go and paste it and get to that document ID.
Yeah.
So I added like anytime you give me an ID for something, instead of giving me the ID, just give me like a hyperlink so I can click in it and just open it up.
Ooh.
That had saved me so much time in um, getting kind of those new. Ooh, here we go.
That
Okay.
was smart. Let's see what it gave you. Oh yeah, these
Ooh,
are 2000s.
love it.
Get roasted again. Oh, wow.
At least you're consistent at being wrong. I love it. I love it. This is so nice. Page is currently updating its. Oh, get roasted again. Oh my gosh, I love it.
This is so cute. Also, someone came in and asked us, like, what are we doing? All right, this is the Great Goose Off if you're just watching this. And it's essentially us using Goose to do, which is an AI agent, to create the craziest things. What else has it given you? I hear you laughing, MacKenzie.
I love this. Did you just mash the keyboard and hope for the best?
Wow. Goose, go easy on us. All right, I'm going to check on Ananya and see where she's at now. Hey.
Hey, my Goozy is still stuck with the HTML. It's kind like I had to stop it from
Yeah.
generating images and force it to like, please
Yeah.
give me the HTML now. I'm so sorry. It's kind of
No, it's okay. This is like cool for people to see like it in real time, like how
okay.
things
Let me
work.
share what it came out with.
Ooh. Oh, can you zoom in a little bit? That's
Oh
super
yeah,
scary.
yeah. Oh, let me see if you can.
Oh wow. This page has been devoured by digital demons. This is giving I think Tanya would like this. Tanya's my teammate. She would like this, I think.
Okay. Ooh, this is scary. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I need to take a screenshot that it's not doing anything more than this. So what I do is if I don't like what Goose gives me,
Yeah.
is I take a screenshot and I go back to my Goose saying like, hey, it's just giving me one screen, like it's not refreshing.
Yeah.
Um, so can you work on that? That has helped me like talk to Goose and give him feedback.
Ooh.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I'll just probably use the voice dictation to be fast. Hey Goose, attached to the screenshot, it's not really generating any more, like any different screen as I refresh. So please either give me two more options as I refresh the screen, to be either cool, fun, or something like surprise me with what you want, what you come up with. Thank you. And please update the HTML file and open in the end. Thank you. I'm blasting it with instructions.
No, but I love that. It's just really interesting to see how you and MacKenzie are like really innovative with using Goose. Like I'm like, wow, I need to step it up. I'm using it boring. Like voice mode and you're giving it the image and all that just so it could see. This is really great. Let me go check on MacKenzie and then after that, when we see your result, we'll switch over to the next challenge. Hello.
Hey. So I really love this, but I asked Goose just to add some more early 2000s flair
Yeah.
for me, and I couldn't decide if I thought it was flair or flare, which spelling of flair. So I just asked Goose, whatever it is, what do you think they should add? I'm really excited about the Comic Sans as a font option because why not torture people? I love it. I feel like my Goose truly knows me. It knows what I'm looking for here, you know, from
It said
the
McKenzie
start to
doesn't want
comment.
word art. Oh my
Yeah.
god, best code said I had wait. Oh, I thought he was talking about Comic Sans. I thought you were saying Comic Sans gives you social anxiety. I was like,
Oh gosh, that's so funny.
what?
I see. I'd feel funny saying "Hey Goose." I love that Anya also said thank you to Goose twice.
Right.
I was like,
I think she has the same thing as
we're
you.
aligned. Yes, we are. We are very much aligned with this. That's so funny. So Goose is adding some fun stuff for me. Um, so let's see. Let's see. Let's get roasted again and see what.
Oh.
Have you tried not being terrible at this?
Wow.
I'm so sorry. Self-deprecating humor is me. I love it. That's the best. Okay, let's see what Goose added. Oh wow. I
Under
love this.
construction. And marquees. Well, not marquees, but like whatever, gradient moving animations.
Oh,
This
I love it. It like makes your mouse disappear. That was such an
Really?
early 2000s.
Oh my God. I missed the early 2000s. Can I just say that? That was a fun time on the web.
It was great. We didn't know what we had,
Yeah.
you know? The best days. Even Google can't help you right now. I love this so much.
What
It's so
what
great.
does the bottom say? Best viewed something?
In Netscape Navigator.
Wow. And it has the visitor count. I remember I always wanted a visitor count on any like blog I had, whatever.
Yes.
That's great.
Earlier, Goose said that it was busy updating its live journal, and I was like, "That's thank you, I appreciate that." It's so
Wow.
great. So
All right. I'm gonna check on Ananya.
sure.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Hey,
so
how's it going?
hey, I think I misunderstood. I think it does create a different character. So the way it understood my request was it updates. I think it refreshes. You see a spider on my screen, and
Yeah,
then snake comes, uh,
that's
and the
perfect.
message also changes.
That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Anytime I
Okay.
reach something to change. I think let me bring all of us together and
Okay.
then we'll just I don't know discuss and see what else. Ooh, hey Mackenzie. Did it add anything else while we were gone or that was it?
No, we're good. We're at the,
Okay.
it did increase my visitor count by 200,000 though, which was so kind of Goose. So
I'm dead. All right, I'm gonna give you guys first of all, how did that feel? How did the scrimmage feel?
Good.
it was
Okay.
really fun. Yeah,
Okay.
I love doing. My work is, I don't always get to do these fun kind of things with Goose, so it's fun getting a little bit more creative with design and things like that.
Awesome. I'm glad it felt that way. All right, guys. You might want to create a new session because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create LinkedIn for clowns. But so and when I say that, like think ridiculous jobs, exaggerated skills, hilarious endorsements. And I'm gonna give 8 minutes for that, and then we have one more challenge, and then
Cool.
we'll wrap up. Oh, and this one will be like I'll ask the chat which ones they like better, but like don't worry, like it's just for fun. Okay, so I'm gonna set the time, and then I'll start with um hold on. I'm using an online stopwatch, I mean timer, and so it might not have been my best idea. Okay. Okay, I'll go to Ananya first and then I'll go to Mackenzie. All right, we can get started right now.
Perfect. So let me. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to use the dictation feature. Again, I'm using the lead worker model.
Yeah.
And let's start. Hey Goose, I want you to make a LinkedIn inspired app, LinkedIn inspired website. Maybe you search the web extension to see what the UI looks like, but I want to make it similarly for clowns. So uh, uh, come up with some creative ways that you can think of to post some jobs that would make sense for clowns, some posts that clowns would make about their jobs on LinkedIn, like a job promotion, an achievement, or maybe include an ad or two. Make it look like LinkedIn. So yeah, and also use web extension to see if you want to get more context around that. But yeah, just create that HTML file. Maybe use JavaScript and open the file in the end. Thank you.
Wow, I love seeing your prompting like flow. Wait, did I mess up your transcript? Oh, it's transcribing. Cool. I was like
Yeah.
maybe I talked over it. I love this is so interesting. I'm like maybe I should use my voice to prompt more. This is great.
Yeah, I actually have been using the voice dictation feature a lot because when I have it sometimes it understands very well what am trying to think and like literally translate into like Goose understandable language. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of it.
Yeah, no, yeah. Now as I'm seeing people do it, I'm like, wow, like that's true. You don't really have to have like all your thoughts together. You can just be like, hey, here's what I'm thinking, and it'll go in that direction.
Yeah.
Kind of speeds you up more.
Yes.
Oh, so let's see its plan.
Oh, so it's gonna let me see. Research LinkedIn UI, brainstorm clown job content, and develop the code files, and then populate with creative clown content, and then open the results.
Love it. Oh wow,
Ooh.
that was fast.
Yeah, that was super fast as compared to last time.
Yeah. Can you zoom in so we can see?
Yeah. Clown
Clown. Bubbles Bozo.
Bubbles Bozo, Chief Laughter Officer. Maybe I think I want to take the screenshot and say that I want like more clown themed. Um, I think what I'm scared about is it using the image generator extension and taking forever.
No. Okay.
But I think it does come around, but it takes like a couple more extra minutes.
Yeah,
But I'm
it's
gonna
a
take
lot.
that bet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot for it to generate images, that's why.
Yes.
But I think yeah, you have 4 more minutes to
Perfect.
continue to iterate. Let me see where MacKenzie's at. Oh, also Erin said, I love when it creates the on theme titles without you asking. Yeah, I love that too. All right. Let's see where MacKenzie's at. Hey, hey.
Hey, it's so funny. My goose came up with the same title
Oh, yeah.
as Anya's for Clowned In. So I was very excited when I saw that. It's just taken a hot second to get all of this added. But one of the things I wanted Goose to add was some of those like funny clown type posts. Like, like I can't even think of one. Like, I went outside. This is what it taught me about B2B sales, like those type of posts that I
Oh,
see all the time on LinkedIn.
I know what you mean. When they say, "Oh, I saw a hungry dog outside."
Yeah. Yes, that was my favorite. It's like I fed the dog, but I was late to the interview. Turns out the
Yeah.
interviewer was the dog. It's
Yeah.
so great. I love that. That's exactly what I was going for in my
I'm excited to see what it comes out with.
oh gosh, it's just taken a second to run, but I'm hoping we'll get a good. I asked it also to create at least 3 profiles, so I did kind of give it a big
task.
task. I did maybe start a little too large to
I don't
start.
think so. You have 3 minutes, so I think you're good.
I'm
And
hoping we get it right first try.
I also I like to think I'm like when it's taking long, it's just going really detailed, right, Goose?
Yes, yeah, it's just I'm watching it populate my folder. You can see I'm not really that
Oh,
great at
nice.
keeping my folder or my desktop organized. But I'm watching it create the different files right now, so I'm excited to see what it comes up with.
Me too. And Best Gold says, I love how everyone calls Goose my Goose. It's so fun. Yeah.
I do as well. I love calling it my goose. Especially when somebody's asking me like for an update on something. I'm like, oh, so sorry, my goose is taking so long to load. It's like another amorphic being I can place blame on when I'm behind on a project deadline.
It's not me, it's my goose.
It's my
Sorry.
goose. I'm so sorry,
That's funny. All right, while it continues to generate, let me see where Ananya is at. I think yours is gonna come out good. Yeah. Hey, hey.
Hey, I just prompted it to add like that extra clown vibes that I thought was missing. So it's doing the work, and I think it's creating those PNG files to
Okay.
add in the UI. But let's see. I'm keeping our fingers crossed, hoping that this does not take that long.
Yeah, that's okay. Wait, are we able to see it in real time? Like if you refresh your page, did it change anything? Sometimes it does.
Yeah.
Oh, it
It
didn't
has
change
not, but it did it gave me the 404 page delayed.
Goose is still on that. Goose is like, oh, but this is cute though.
Yeah.
They're just probably eating pizza right now. Too much.
Yeah.
Oh, those are cute. Oh wait, y'all, in the comments, tell us whose approach are you learning the most from right now? Like, just like maybe it's way different than your approach, and you're like, maybe I should incorporate that into my approach in the future. For me, like both of you guys, I'm like, I never thought to even tell Goose like my favorite hype song. I never use the voice command. I don't even really send the screenshots. All right, see you later, best codes. Thanks for stopping by. But yeah, this is amazing. Let me see. Outfit pal. A fun. So what is it creating? A fun scene of cream pies flying through the air at a circus. I'm
I
dead.
I asked it to create like a LinkedIn timeline view where
Oh
people would post like there's like success stories or some story or like just a post with picture. Uh,
yeah,
I wonder, I think it sometimes gets too excited and keeps generating a lot.
yeah.
And at that moment I had to like jump in. I was like, okay, this is okay. And like
You're like enough, Goose.
yeah. I always think of Goose as like how people think of Tesla and how they're supposed to be used, meaning they are assisted, like autonomous vehicle, but with assisted human presence.
Ooh.
So like Goose can go wild. You just there has to be a human to like
To
make sure that
reel them in.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I like that analogy. I think that's like the whole like when GitHub Copilot came out, like that was like the thing. Like you're coding, but you're not letting it be in charge.
Yeah.
It's your Copilot. Similar with Goose. If people didn't know, Goose is named after Maverick. I mean, not Maverick. Goose and Top Gun, and he was
Yeah.
Maverick's Copilot. So I like that analogy.
Awesome. I think it looks like it is updating
Yeah, it's
the
doing
the
HTML.
HTML file quickly this time.
No, I
Yeah.
think it's pretty good. Okay, while it's doing that, ooh,
Ooh.
radiance. I like the commercials too. It says tired of limp chickens? Upgrade to the new Mega Rubber Chicken.
Yeah, but I'm still waiting for that timeline view, so I hope that it gets added.
Let's see.
But
See Mackenzie's while it's adding it. I see like a couple of colors in the background for her.
It's
Hey,
so
babe.
funny that mine came up with, like, a very similar layout, in
Yeah.
terms of colors and stuff like that. So, the first one was just orange and, yellow, so I asked Goose if it could make it just a bit more colorful and vibrant. So I have my professional circus feed, where you can read all of the, status updates, from our different clowns. I really like, uh, where's the one? The implemented a new honking protocol today on today's board meeting. Um, by the end of the meeting, I had honked 247 times, and the room was in chaos. Productivity increased by 340%. I really love disrupt the norm as the hashtag.
Yes.
I feel like I would see that in real life. So I'm glad Goose was able to pull those elements in. And then I have a couple different pages. So I have Bobo giggles, and some about his experience. He has a Bachelor of Applied Silliness from College of
That's kind of funny. Master of Balloon Sciences. Oh, this is great.
from the Ringling Brothers. Yeah, and then I have Patches, Mick Honk. I am glad that it just chose to do emojis for the images, because I agree that mine would have probably taken a hot minute to load some images of people. But I really like this one. Increased client satisfaction by 156% through strategic pie deployment.
That's great.
And then squeaky buttons.
Goose is
Just
so creative.
it's so cute. I just love it. I love the developed proprietary crowd reading algorithms for optimal joke timing. Just perfect, just exactly what I was looking for. So I'm really happy with what Goose came up with. And let's see if I refresh. Ooh, okay, it added a little bit more. I'm really digging the background. It really reminds me of like cotton candy. So
Yes, it does.
I'm feeling very circusy. Yeah.
It's cute. I like how it went perfectly on brand. Wow. It has likes and comments and everything.
I know. How cute is that?
It's the detail for me.
I love it. Yeah. Slapstick consultant. That's so cute.
I think I see an image on Ananya's. I don't know. Should I go check in?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go see. Hey, oh, you do have images.
Yeah. So it created excited to announce my promotion to chief balloon animal engineer.
Wow. Oh my god. This is hard to pick from because you guys have similar vibes, but there's just like slight little things that are like slightly different, just reflecting you guys' personality. This is so cute.
I think I'm going to like if I have time, I would want to like add like able to view comments. I think that is something I miss.
Oh, yeah.
Um, but it has like those little things that you see like ads and then jobs, Sledzer, spirits technician, rubber chicken handler. Uh,
Wow.
I do feel like it is kind of LinkedIn, but I do like I want to add that comment if I
If
get
you
the extra time. Yeah.
Okay, what if we circle back for because I have one more that I want you guys to do, and
Okay.
if we end up having time in the end, we'll circle back to that. Okay, this first off, good job, everybody. Like it looked amazing. Like I just want to show both of y'all like we got the cotton candy vibes, we got the hilarious like what was it like post like especially what you said when you wanted it to have like the oh I saved the dog or whatever like disrupt the norm like very stereotypical LinkedIn. And then I liked it for Ananya. I feel like the images they added like an additional layer. This was great. People are saying looks great, phenomenal work. Aaron's voting Ananya's latest iteration, but he's like they're both amazing. Okay, so this one I'm okay. It's a little difficult. It's gonna sound difficult, but it's
Oof.
not that difficult. I think. So I'm gonna give you guys pro tips. That way, it'll turn out how we want it, or like it'll guide you guys in the right way. So we're gonna build a snake game, but the user has to play with hand gestures. Okay, so like if you want the snake to go up or down, like the user can like point. So this is like computer vision. But tell Goose that you want to use HTML, JavaScript, and then CDNs. And I'll put it in the private chat. CDNs. Because if it doesn't use that, then it might try to download a whole bunch of things. But we just need it to use a CDN. And obviously you'll need webcam access. But basically you just want to play a snake game and you like point and it goes up, down, and around. And I'll give you guys 10 minutes. Do you have questions before I press start?
No.
No, I think we're I think we're good.
Okay, cool. You're not okay, good. I was like, I hope I described this perfectly. All right, I'm gonna start with MacKenzie and then we'll go from there. All right.
All right. Gonna spell Goose wrong because I'm typing in live, which all right, hey Goose. I want to create a snake game with a twist. I want the user to control the direction of the snake using hand gestures. Of course, I don't think there's a U there. Thank you. Hand gestures. When they point up, the snake goes up, and so on. To do this, please use HTML. You said CSS and CDN?
Yeah, CDN. So CDN. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. I guess you could say JavaScript too. Sorry.
And JavaScript. Let's see, what else do I want to include on this first pass? Keep the original design of the classic snake game. All right, let's see what Goose does here.
I hope it works. I tried that before to make sure. I was like, let me make sure I don't set them up for failure. But I think it'll work.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, you're gonna do computer vision.
Perfect. I didn't know what that was before right now. So what a better time to learn than when you get to.
Right.
I'm a very hands-on visual learner, so this is the perfect time.
To jump right in. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
How are you imagining it? You're like imagining it's gonna be like you don't even know. You're just like whatever
Yeah,
happens.
I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna work. So I'm very excited. But definitely, I'm hoping that it will be easy to recognize the hand gestures.
Yeah.
But I'm ooh, with maybe a pipe for hand tracking. This will be a colorful twist on the classic game. All right. Well, it seems like it has a good idea for how it's gonna complete this. So I'm excited
That
to
was
see
my
how that
goal.
goes.
That was my goal. Let me see how Ananya's doing with the beginning prompt. Hopefully Goose recognized what it should be using too. Be right back. Hey.
Hey, so I just gave it the basic prompt that I want to build a snake game website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and CDNs, where the snake moves based on the direction of user hand gestures in the camera,
Yeah.
and make the game vibes inspired by. I wanted to write a cartoon character that I was thinking, and I just forgot the name.
Oh,
Eh, but I'm like, animated snake cartoons, fun vibes, and make them look cute. Add
ooh,
some emojis, make sure it works. So that is the important piece.
okay.
Ooh,
It already did something.
okay.
This is fast.
Okay. Okay. Let's build it. Okay. It's asking me to copy it in an HTML file. And I'm gonna go like,
Oh, Goose,
please
don't be lazy.
can you make the HTML file for me? Yeah, sometimes it just gives me the code and asks me to do things, and I was like, "Okay, no, please do it."
I hate when Goose does that. But yeah, it's usually the LLM trying to like save tokens or whatever. And it's like, no, go ahead. You can do it. That's why you're part of an AI agent.
But yeah, I'm excited to see what it comes up with. I may have to tweak a little bit,
Yeah,
but let's see. I just
yeah.
wanna see what it comes up.
Me too. I'm hoping it gives you guys like some results you can work with. You know
Yeah,
what I mean? Oh my god, I think Mackenzie's using hers. Oh, and yours is ready too. Okay, I'm gonna go to Mackenzie and then I'm
okay,
gonna go back to you.
perfect.
Hey, I see you
All right,
point.
we're working on it. It's detecting my gestures. It's just not moving
Oh
my
wait, press start game.
right. But when I
Oh.
press start game, okay, let me tell Goose what's going on here.
Oh, I see.
Hey, this is cool. Um, but for some reason, my snake doesn't move. To make things a bit easier, can we start with a longer snake?
That's
Change
smart.
the colors a bit so it's easier to tell which one is the snake, because I'm not exactly sure which one is the snake.
That's true.
Maybe make the snake green. Great. Okay, we'll start there and see if I can get it to. Okay.
That's a smart idea. That's actually really smart of you. But it's cool that it's detecting it already for you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm thrilled about that part. I was a little worried it would sorry, I'm looking at my
Yeah, no worries.
my screen. Okay. So, oh,
Nice.
I'll do it. Okay. All right. So, looks like it
It
also doesn't.
recognized it. Wait. When you went down, it said right.
Yeah, I got to figure out.
Goose, your algorithms are off.
Okay, I'll have to fix. Does it have left? No, that's backwards. Well, I guess okay.
Oh,
I'm going to have to fix that too. Okay,
yeah.
so let me start typing. Okay, so it also seems like the down finger pointer is not recognized. And then When a user points right,
Smart. I'll be back. I'm gonna see where Ananya's at.
sounds good.
Hello.
Hey. So it threw me this
Yeah.
and it just says make hand move. So I'm allowing this.
Yeah.
So it has a little camera on the screen.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that was
I see
and,
it.
and then I'm not sure if it's moving. Eat the apple, grow and have fun. And I don't think my emoji is moving. So
Yeah.
I just prompted Goose to correct this. Like have I sent them a screenshot and looks like my snake is not moving. Also, my snake I forgot to add my snake doesn't look like a snake.
It's true. It's an emoji. Yeah. Yeah. Probably. I guess it's not recognizing your hand gestures, even though
Yeah.
it recognized MacKenzie's. Got to fix that.
Yeah. So I'm just going to see if it works after this change and then have it look like a little snake at least.
Yeah. Yeah. Not like a little smiley face. I
Yeah.
guess because you said cute, so maybe it was like snakes aren't that cute to it. I don't know.
Could be. Wrong choice of words on my side.
Goose will just interpret whatever.
Okay. Point your hand in this direction for snake to go. Okay. Good lighting helps a lot. Maybe my lighting is not good.
Your lighting's good. Don't let Goose gaslight you. Like, tell it good algorithms help a lot. Tell it to give you, like, um, hmm,
Oh,
kinda like how, MacKenzie's has, like, the
the
on her
hand gesture?
image yeah, on her image, it tells her, like, if she's going right, up, or left. Tell it, like, give me indications that, like, you have that you're seeing those particular gestures.
Oh,
I don't know
okay.
how to, like, word that. That was really badly worded,
I
but
see. Oh, I think it says hand not detected.
that's why. Oh, there it is. Okay. I
Right?
didn't see it before. What about you do this? Oh, yeah, tell it my hand's not being detected.
Oh, right.
That's why.
Okay. Okay. Voice dictation. Hey Goose, it looks like the website cannot detect my hand movements. So no matter what movements I'm doing, my snake who it should look more like a snake is not moving. So can you please fix that and update the file? Thank you. Oops. Let's see. Okay, let's see.
I think this is gonna go good. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna go to MacKenzie
Yeah.
and I'll be right back.
All right, I moved my glasses off my face, so you know I mean business. All right, we're getting somewhere. It got the snake. It's green, so I know which one is the snake. I just am really bad at this game. So it is, but it'll start. So here, I'll show you. So, all right.
Oh, it's going.
Oh no. No, it can't go down yet. We're still working on down. But at least we're moving, you know.
Yeah, at least it did do something. That's amazing.
Okay. So let's go up, left. No.
It's too fast. The snake is way too fast.
No. Oh, I can't go down. All right. Okay. All right. No, other way. No, it's still backwards. All right. Can't go down. Okay, can I start going?
Right. It's not going.
No.
This is way harder than just a regular snake.
Come on, go above. There we go. Okay. So if I start and then if I time this right, it'll go up. All right, let's see if we can get one. I'd love to get one. No!
This is great though.
It's really fun while Goose is working on my changes, although I am a little worried that I asked for changes 4 minutes ago and it hasn't done anything yet, but we'll see. Let me see if I refresh. Okay.
Hopefully it's working really hard to get this right.
Yeah, I think it's like, you know what? I'm just gonna. Okay. All right. I think we can do this one.
Okay.
So let me do no gesture.
I'm giving you good vibes.
Okay. Up, left. No.
Oh, that was so close.
All right. Okay. Oh, that one's gonna be hard.
Yeah, because as soon as you hit the wall. That was great.
All right. Goose looks like it's finally moving. So hopefully here shortly I'll get the down.
To work.
It still thinks up is down. I did try, like, maybe it wants like the other side of my hand, for the down. But
That's so hard. Who can do that?
Not me. Not me. So, but while Goose is going, I'll still up. Right. Oh, okay.
You're just gonna practice your art while Goose continues. All right, I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Hola.
Hey,
It's still not showing your hand?
it's still not detecting my hand. And I think I may have to restart building the website. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's okay. You might have to. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. And okay, so it's like it does not look updated, and it's like, okay, you're right. Let me check the file and make sure. So it probably did not. It did not update the HTML file, and it told me that it updated.
He'll just lied.
But I'm going to see like if that is fixed, or maybe I in tandem also start another geese and
Yeah.
like
Yeah. See which one finishes first.
yeah.
And we
Maybe
have
I'm gonna change my model.
Ooh.
Right? I may change it to 4.1 because it's very fast.
Okay. Let's see what happens. I haven't used 4.1 much, so this is interesting. We have comments. Oh, go ahead. Oh, I thought you said something. I think it was just the echo on my side. But Hayden Cummins said, it's amazing how far Goose can take initial prompts for complex ideas in such a short amount of time. Wait a minute. You have the same last name as MacKenzie. Hello. Oh, wait. I think are your family supporting you? That's so cute. Because I also see, aw.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, families. That's cute. And then Max said Goose will not accommodate for human anatomy, regarding MacKenzie having to do that. Okay, sorry. Keep going. You were doing your new approach.
Yep.
Let's
Okay.
see.
Is the new. It should be updated. Okay. Let's see.
Notice her hand.
Do I have to like be very close to the camera?
You shouldn't have to, because MacKenzie was like backed up. I think it just didn't do the media pipe thing. It probably didn't do
Yeah.
that. Oh, maybe I wonder if there's an error in your console. Like, do you want to open the
Oh,
HTML file again? Oh, did it say something?
no.
Oh.
What you mean like
If sorry, where it is in your browser. Also, I love this comment that's like, "Come on, Goose, talk to the hand." But in your browser, if you open it and then right click, there's something called inspect, and
I
you'll be
see.
able to see if there's any errors.
I see.
Yeah, right click yeah, and then go to console. Oh, I think I see something. What does that say?
No backend found in registry. I just don't know what it means.
Me neither. I thought it was gonna give me a helpful error. It's okay. Go ahead.
I'll keep trying.
You have the other Goose going too, so maybe that'll give you
Yes.
some.
Awesome.
Let me check on MacKenzie. Hello.
Hello. Look, I got 2 of them. My high score is 20.
Oh my god, you did it.
I did it. Unfortunately, though, it's still not going down, so I have to make sure it starts above me. But let's try. Oh,
Oh,
down, down, down. Come on, go down.
why is down such a hard one? I
I
got
don't
it.
know. It really doesn't want to go down for me. Oh, okay. We're gonna reset. All right. At least I'm getting some. You know, I got 2, and that's enough for me. You know, I'm feeling really good.
Making progress. No, this is amazing. I built this at home myself, and I did not like. I got it moving, but I didn't get my snake eating anything. It was way too hard for me.
It's so fun. Although I do feel like, oh no. Sorry, I've been the whole time I was just like, I've just made the same noise over and over.
When they asked what you did at work today, you're like, play the snake
Yeah,
game.
I'm just gonna be like, I was seems okay, there we go.
Oh,
It
I'm
doesn't
not.
really like to change. It's like better with different hands.
Oh, it told you that it fixed it. All right, I'm gonna bring us all together since we're nearing the end. And Ananya said she got it working. So
Oh.
let's
Yeah.
see.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, don't say
my
sorry.
my version. So I think Rizal, I changed my model and it works for me.
Oh wow.
And wait, let me show you. So I was sorry.
Oh,
I'm
that's
just
cute.
yeah. They eat 2 fruits.
Oh my god. I love you guys. Like I love how different they came out, even though the prompts were so similar.
Oh my gosh, this is so difficult to play.
Yours goes down?
Sorry.
I said yours when you point down, it goes down?
Yeah, it goes down. But
Interesting.
I think what happened is it's a mirror image, but it sees of my hand from left to right. So I think the issue is like it me and like it's taking the opposite, like left or right.
Yeah,
And that's the issue. I think it does go down and up when I tell it to.
interesting. Wow, this is cool, guys. Okay. Let me see. Wow, bravo to both of you. Let me see if Mackenzie's down got fixed. Did it
It did
get
not. I was just sitting here with my hand like this.
and I was like, "Oh, wait, it looks like she got it fixed." She's like, "Go down."
I was just being like, come on. I did ask Goose to add a backup for keys to move down in case it can't figure out the down. So at least we can do right, left, and up.
And then
But
you
to get it, so we can use that a little bit more easy.
That's so smart.
Let's try. Let's see. All right, go up, left, down. Oh,
It did it?
down.
I saw it go down. That's
I'm gonna be sore after this from like the ways I've contorted my body to try to get it.
for anyone just like passing by the stream, like what are they doing?
They're like, what is MacKenzie? Honestly, though, I do like if you ask my team 100% of the time, like the number one question they would answer or they would ask is, "What is MacKenzie doing?" So that's not uncommon for me.
So my game actually gives like arrow directions to tell like which way my hand is.
Oh.
So if I like, let's play again. I want to go down. It's going down. So you see the arrow at the bottom, like it was like down.
Yeah.
And oops,
Oh,
camera.
so it kind of tells you where you are.
Yeah, like
Interesting.
it tells me like it tells the game which direction I want it to go.
Oh wow. I like it.
I think what I learned is to have in tandem like a couple of models run for the same prompt is the best approach probably. And I think Aaron in last Goose Off or like a couple of Goose Off before, he did the same thing. He was model switching.
Yeah.
I meant to do it, but I forgot about it midway. But
Kind
I
of did it
remember,
with the lead worker.
yeah.
Yeah. That was actually really smart when you were like, let me just switch to GPT 4.1 because Claude Sonnet's not doing what I needed to do. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up since we're at 2 o'clock. I think you guys did amazing, especially because they gave you such a hard one. Like, I was like a little nervous. I was like, okay, I hope I'm not like messing them up here, but you all did really, really well.
That was so fun.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for letting us play.
No, thanks for being on. Before you leave, do you guys have any like vibe prompting, vibe coding tips for the audience or thing? I don't know, any like takeaways or things you want to do in the future?
Oh man, I have a ton of stuff. I keep a little note in my phone of things I want to do in the future when I get time. Um, when I actually have time to work on personal stuff. But my biggest tip with Goose, and honestly with any using any kind of LLMs or agents, is just that just to be resilient, keep trying. It can be frustrating when you feel like Goose isn't understanding you, but as like Anya did, changing the models help, kind of giving Goose some more constructive feedback helps. I just think getting frustrated using AI tools is very common, but just staying resilient and keeping trying, and you'll figure out some tricks that work best for you.
Yeah.
I think for me, it is like I let Goose know how to improve on it. So it said let Goose help build Goose. Um,
Mm.
I use that approach. So I keep I also try to point it to sources of truth that are out there, like
Mm.
examples of websites, an example of screenshots, example of PDF files, or things that I wanted to create for me. So for me, and it has proven really greatly to be able to do the same thing if it knows what the outcome looks like. So yeah, I think keep experimenting, keep trying. I feel like everyone should try the voice dictation feature. It's really cool and it helps let you get hands free and let Goose run in background and you do other stuff. That can also happen. So yeah, go wild. It's
I
a
love
beautiful journey.
it is a beautiful journey. I feel like the takeaways is like be persistent and like give it examples and just like yeah, go crazy with it. All right, thank you so much to you all for taking the time to be on this and for being brave and vulnerable because I feel like it can be scary, but you all didn't really show any fear. And then also thanks to the audience for supporting and just being engaged as well. I'll see y'all next week. Usually I do every 2 weeks, but I'm going to do a next week community edition because that one failed last time, so we're going to do it again. All right, bye guys.